is a good question, and it can vary greatly, as I'm sure you can imagine. Anything from a small repair, in the, let's say, $1,200 range. It could even be less, but typically if a storm's come through and it's damaged, it's typically not just a small thing. Hail tends to hit the whole roof, or at least one side of it really well. The price of a roof system, replacing your roof system, has gone up, and just like everything else goes up. It's probably the biggest factor as far as buyer shock, or whatever you say. How much do you think your roof might cost? And if you're like me, when I'm asked questions like that, I'm always way under what it actually costs to get something done. But I think the average roof system is probably in the $12,500 to $15,000 range right now, and they could go up. They go up from there, and houses and roofs are getting bigger and bigger and bigger, it seems. So 20 and 25,000 isn't uncommon, to be up in that range. And so that's why it's important to have insurance coverage on it. And it's important to understand your policy, whether that, is it an ACV policy where they're going to pay and depreciate it based on the age and condition of the roof, and then you have to foot the rest of the bill? Or is it a replacement coverage policy where that adjusts for inflation and whatever else it takes to get the roof system replaced? And then there's a lot less out-of-pocket cost for a consumer. Hopefully your only out-of-pocket cost is your deductible, and then your insurance company would cover the rest. It's more costly a lot of times if you let it wait, and you don't think there's damage because you can't see it from the ground. And so the storm comes through and you let it. You don't take any action because you don't have an active leak, and from the ground it doesn't look like there's anything there. And 6 months later, the damage shows up, the damage that was created by the hail that came through 6 months earlier, and now your roof's leaking. The water's finding its way through, and it's finding its way into your house, and then the costs skyrocket.